Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to install Left4Dead 2 and make all the patches and play through the tunngle without issues or any problems. So first of all, you should create a folder named Left4Dead 2, which is easier to Left4Dead 2, where you're going to download the torrent and choose the path to that folder. And now you want to go to your browser, ours is Google Chrome, and go to piratebuy.sa. I just want to apologize for my bad English. It's just I'm Portuguese and whatever. So now you search for Left4Dead 2 and go for it. You click on SA. And now you click on the first link, which is Left4Dead 2 by Blaze69, and you want to click in Get this torrent. Click on, and click on Initiate application. So you want to choose the path, which the path is the folder that you created, named Left4Dead 2. If you want, you can unlight that square, this box, which is not important, so give it OK and click with the right button of the mouse and force start, and again, and go to just do as we do and choose it to hide in here, hide. So yeah, wait for it until it ends. And so guys, we will not wait until the download be done because we already have the game. So my brother will stop the download and show you how the download folder will be. So brother, you can delete the folder which we were downloading and show them how the folder will be when it's done. So when you done after downloading torrent, the folder will come in WinRAR archive file. So you wanna click twice and see what it takes. Okay, close this and okay. Now close the WinRAR and click on it and click in extract files and choose the path. Which is, in our case, it's my computer, C disk and games folder. It's the path where your games are all installed. So we are going to name Left4Dead 2 because we already have the original game. So yeah, so you will wait until the extraction be done. All the download links we will put in the description. So now that the game is extracted, let's go to our games folder, games, and go to the folder which you extracted, give it 2 clicks and click on setup batch file. So press any key and just wait for the game to be extracted. I'll see you guys in some minutes or half hour, so we'll give it a pause to the video. See ya. So guys, we're back because we decided to explain the other stuff. So now it's the patch. We are going to download the patch. So inside the downloaded game or the downloaded torrent, we will create a new folder named patch or patches or whatever you want. So inside that folder, you will create 2 folders, which we will give you the site of the link of the patch. It's okay, my brother is writing tunngle for that patch, or you can find it by typing L4D2 patch. It's the same thing. So you will just wait, and you will have 4 patches, which are, scroll down. Okay, we are sorry because our internet connection is a little bit low. So the 4 patches, as I was saying, are master update. It's the mine update. After you extract the game, you will create the first folder named master update. It's the mine update, and then you will have master update. So brother, would you go to the folder of the patches and rename it to 1 master update to make it by the right order, and just create the order to be easier, please. And the second patch will be to elite update. The third folder will be named as incremental update, which is the small update. They every month release a new patch. It's the little patch. And the final patch, I think that's the standalone patch. Is it standalone? Yeah, it is. So, he's creating the folder of standalone patch. And now we're going to download the master update. Scroll up. And click on this. We are sorry guys. And click where it says yes, I want to leave now. Here. So some windows should pop up when you click on it. Just ignore it. Close. Oops, we just downloaded twice, so ignore the second downloaded. Nope. Okay, my brother is doing this because it's faster. It's extracting, and now the first patch brings a torrent of the master update. So now you want to choose your path where the increment master update will be saved, which is this path. And now just click in OK and force start, and choose the priority to high. Now just so we won't wait until it ends. So we will remove the torrent and copy the other. Continue to download, and the next patch will be download has elite update. You click on Mediafire, and this will lead you to the Mediafire site where you can download it. Click again in yes, I want to leave now, and save it in the folder that you created, the elite update folder. Go back and click on it. Okay, I suggest you to highlight the 2 boxes and click on the bold in here, both. So yes, clicking yes. Okay, the game is still extracting. to the folder. So guys, we're back. So as our internet connection is slow, we are going to cancel the downloads. So you wanna go to highlight. So my brother just copied the needed patches, which are 2 parts. So guys, what you need to do now is highlight the 2 parts and click on the first and click on, it says extract here. So you just wait, and now when the extraction is done, you click above the. So you go back. You don't need to do this right now. So now it's the small patches, and we are going to explain which versions you have to download. So as the master update upgrade your game from the previous version to the 2.1.0.0, you install the master update, but before that the elite update will update from the 2.1.0.0, which is master update, until the 2.1.2.0, which is the elite update, and next you will need to download all the incremental update, which is of each month. So you will need to download from the, I think the version is the elite update, from the 2.1.2.0 incremental update. So you wanna search for 2.1.2.0 incremental update, so it's 2.1.2.0, which is this patch. So click on it. Here you have 2.1.2.0 from 2.1.2.0 to 2.1.2.1. So download update. Click on. You wanna download all these patches from below to above until this last one, 2.1.3.5 to 2.1.3.6. So I want to explain one thing, which is when you are going to download, I think that the patch is 2.1.3.5. you will have to create a folder, because there are in the incremental update like 8 parts to download. So guys, since we already have it, we don't need to download, but we are going to show you, and we are going to get those patches that we already downloaded days ago. So just wait, so we can show you. Okay, the one folder that I was saying that you need to create in the incremental update is this. Yeah, I was right. It is the 2.1. No, I was saying that it was 2.1.3.5, but it is 2.1.2.3, whatever. Okay guys, we will pause the video. Now guys, since this is done, we already copied the files to here. You need to create a folder with these numbers, and this is a version of the incremental update. You will highlight all the 8 parts and do as we said. Extract here. And just wait. Okay, now that we already extracted, go back to the previous folder. And keep downloading all the other versions of the incremental update. So you will have all these from the first 22, 23, 23, and now from the 23 you will have to download and install from the 23 to until the 25. So go back and start from the 26 and until the 2136. Okay, now go back, and after we install, so now go back and go to the browser and download standalone, which is scrolling down and above, up, this one. Download it to the 4th folder. Okay, you already know how to download. Yes, I want to leave now, and you will have, yep, click the 4th, you will have this file. Okay, now that we have all the patches downloaded, just wait until the game is extracted in the folder. Now once the installation is almost done, now open the DirectX installation. Yes, clicking yes. So install all these programs that the game asks you to install, because it's part of the game, so we won't need to install this. I think these programs are DirectX, Microsoft Visual and other. Okay, now the installation of the game is done. Press any key to continue. Okay, now we have to install all the patches. So, okay, after the tutorial is done, you wanna click in master update and execute it as administrator. And next, it says that the installation will be about half hour, 30 minutes. So just choose the game path and just wait. So guys, just press any key, wait until it ends. So now this will ask you if you want to install it as SFK standalone, and you will type N and type enter. So now press any key to continue. Again, delete the name. This is not important. If you wanna change it, or if you don't, then don't change it. So exit. Now it's the part where we have to install all the incremental update patches. Delete update, sorry. So execute it as administrator. Yes. Now okay, change the language. Next, set the path where your game is. Give it next. Now, delete update, it's done. Next. Okay, now it's finished. Now let's update with incremental. Now, choose the first one, which is 2120 to 2121. So now give next path of the game, next. Now this will be quick until the one that it's in the folder. Yes. Choose the language. So you want to do this for the next incremental update. Now, from the 23, you have to open the folder that you created. So just to extract it and okay, execute it as administrator. Language. Agree Yes, choose the game path and we the path next. Okay, this one will take about like 1 minute to install.
DJ so funky, man. DJ so funky, man.
So now the last thing to patch the game is the standalone patch. Execute it as administrator. So choose the language. Next 3. Okay. This is the game path. Usually you used to choose the last, but in my computer I have highlighted the second. It's almost the same thing. It's just in the second. If you highlight the second, the game loads faster than the third. So choose the second or the third, whatever you want, and then give the next. This will be the name in game. So we are here. You can select your avatar, whatever. Give the next install. Okay, now it's done. Once it's done, we have the game ready to play. Now you can delete these icons that we are deleting. This one, no, you can, whatever. Okay, this is the shortcut to start the game, but we won't start the game through this shortcut. We will start the game with the tunngle logged in. So now we will teach you how to open ports for the tunngle. If you don't know how to install the tunngle, search for it in the YouTube, because we will running out of time in the video. So you need to have an account to enter the tunngle. Just enter in the tunngle. Type, you need to have the ports opened to play games through the tunngle, via tunngle. Okay, now this is an error which says that we can't connect to other servers via tunngle. In here you can see a red face which means that we can't play with other servers. So you want to go to System, Options, and highlight the one box that it says Use UPnP. UPnP is a function that if your router has, you can open the port automatically. So now we have highlighted the box UPnP and restart the tunngle. So now it will try to open the UPnP port automatically through your router. So just wait. Okay, now as you can see, the red face turned into green face. So now we wanna go to L4D2 rooms. Just search L4D2 and enter in this room. Now this is like a room where the people can connect to each other by creating servers or whatever. Okay, these are all the people that want to play L4D and okay, whatever. So now to play L4D2, you wanna go to your shortcut desktop and right click on the shortcut and go to properties, and then go to the compatibility and execute it as administrator. So apply and give it an OK and start the game, and you're good to go. So now guys, we are going to show you how the game works and how can you connect to other servers. So when you start the game, a error sound will appear. At this part you should click enter. Start. And probably when you open the game for the first time, will pop up a window by the firewall. You just click on the first box and give it an OK that will allow you to play online. So now guys, as you can see, my bubble has highlighted the third box, and this takes a couple seconds to launch the game. But I assure you that this is the best option. So as you can see, the game works perfectly. just wait about 10 seconds and the servers will start to appear, and you will be allowed to play any server of any mode or whatever. Here in this patch, tunngle patch, you have rotation mode, you have a lot of modes. So here below you can see a lot of servers. Me and my brother used to play in a server named, what is his name? Okay, as you can see, the game works perfectly. So guys, it's all for today. I hope you understood everything, and if you have any question, just comment below in the description, and we see you guys later. See ya.
Yeah, like the video. See you later, guys.